So one of the most frustrating things about getting money online through the Amazon influencer program or through monetized YouTube channels is just consolidating all that data into one place so that you know exactly how much you made each day. Well, I made a Chrome extension that hopefully makes this a lot easier. So I'm going to show you it right now. It's called Cha-Ching Sales. And basically what it does is it pulls your data from Amazon influencers as you're making that money throughout the day, as the numbers become available through Amazon's backend. And it pulls that for you, and it also pulls all of it. So whether you made it through on-site or off-site or Creator Connections Affiliate Plus or Creator Connections sponsor links, it'll pull all that into one dashboard so you can very easily see it. And right now it's morning, so my United States sales haven't been fetched yet, so numbers are kind of low, but you can hover over these things to see exactly how much you made for each country as well. And if you don't see the countries as you hover over like this, you want to go to your global earnings page and click this button here that says click here to link more stores. And then once you do that, it'll come to another page where you can just make sure all of your stores are linked. So like right now, I just started uploading to Singapore. So I haven't actually linked my Singapore store yet. So I'm just going to click this button, link stores. And now everything that I have available is going to be on that page. So if I go back to that page right now, you'll see, well, actually, it won't show anything on it unless you actually made money via that store. So it's not going to show Singapore on this page right now, but once I start making money on Singapore, it'll also show that here. And then on Cha-Ching Sales, it'll also show it here as well, because that's where it's pulling from, the global earnings page. So that's all been there for an update or two, but I want to show you a new feature, which is this button right here, because this button actually allows you now to also sync your monetized YouTube channel sales. So I have 3 monetized YouTube channels. I'm going to go ahead and just add one right now. So you're going to add your handle, and then you can nickname it if you want. That way, further down in the columns, it doesn't break the columns because it's just too long of a name. So there it is. There's my new YouTube channel. And then as it gets data from that throughout the day, well, at the end of the day, usually when Google updates those things, it'll show it there. And you can add as many as you want. So I have, like I said, 3 channels. So I would add my next one here. And then each one of these is going to have its own panel here at the top, showing you how much money you made. And you could also, if you wanted to, update the color, if it matters to you what color things are. And then that'll update the color there. And it'll show you there, and it'll also show you here historically. So let me show you also. So by the way, I did another thing I added was the ability to look historically through this bar chart. So you can see over time how much each of your things are making, and it's all color coded. Here's the colors there to remind you, but it's also the same colors as these up here. So scrolling down, here's your historical chart for it as well. So as you can see, I just added these 2 channels. We're just going to go with those 2 for now, and I could click refresh this month's data and it'll just get everything from the month, or I can just click refresh all missing data and it's only going to refresh these columns that don't have anything in them yet. So that's helpful in terms of like if you just add a new YouTube channel and it hasn't had any data yet, you don't want to refresh all the numbers that you've already gotten the data for, but it's just going to get these numbers here in these columns. That'll be a lot easier to see all that data. And then once that data is populated, it'll also put it up here as well. So as you can see, it's refreshing day 15 of 15 for my affiliate sales, which doesn't have that any because that hasn't come in for the today for that day just yet. But after it refreshes that, it's also going to do our YouTube sales as well for both of these 2 channels. So let's see that data start coming in here in a second. And it does that through tabs that, let me go ahead and show you if I can. Tabs that are open in the left corner of the screen right here. So the YouTube Studio, it'll open each of these up and actually go to the data that it finds. And then once it finds that data, it'll sync it over here. So see down here at the bottom, it's starting to pull that data in. So it works from the bottom up. So it's doing days 1 through 3 and then 4 through 6 of the first channel, and it'll do the first channel first because it's already logged into that one. Then it'll automatically change to the second channel. It'll just use your switcher here to do that. As long as it can find it via the switcher, then it should be able to pull that data in. So, and then once you pull that data in, then obviously it'll start showing up up here as well. Let's see, May. Let's see. HNS. So yeah, here it is. That little trickle of income is my first YouTube channel. And let's see. So that one's almost done. Oh, by the way, while we're looking at this, since there are such small things here, and it's difficult sometimes to see exactly how much things are changing on the small level, I added a way to adjust that. And I think it's, yeah, there we go. If you just kind of pull this up, you can adjust the scale of this graph. So that way those small ones are a lot more distinct. You can see exactly how much difference there is per day there by hovering over those. So you can just basically just adjust the scale of the graph by controlling it there. Kind of fun. All right, so this data is starting to get filled in. Now it's switching to the other channel, so I can fill in the rest of those too. And like I said, you don't have to do this all the time. It's just getting this back data filled in once you add a couple channels. And then after you do that, all these numbers will start to fill in as well throughout the day, you know, at the end of the day when Google releases the number for each one of these things. So I hope that helps you consolidate your, you know, all your revenue from Amazon and YouTube in one place. And that way you'll be able to see how much money you made from day to day, a lot easier than trying to go from one thing to another and find it from Amazon, 4 places on Amazon, and then all of your various YouTube channels. This will hopefully just pull it all together and show you in one place how much you made each day from Amazon and YouTube put together. Let me know if you have any questions or any suggestions to make it even better. But I make these tools because they help me. Like I was just so not frantically, but you know, so frustrated with just going back and forth seeing how much I made each day. This makes it a lot easier. So going forward, I can just look at one page and so much easier. If I can do it, you can do it too. Just an average guy.